How to add non-Steam games to Steam. So first, just open up your Steam, then just go to your library, then click on add the game here on the bottom left. Then this will pop up. Just click on add a non-Steam game, and it will show you the list of programs or games that you could add to Steam. So let's say I want to add this game called Withering Waves. So just simply click on it and just click on add selected program. So you could basically select not not just one program, but you could select any program that you want just by clicking on the tick box. Then just click on add selected programs once you're done, and it will just automatically pop up right here. And as you can see, it is right there. And you could also change the background if you want. You just need to right click on it, set custom background, and you could just simply search for anything right there. But once that's done, you just simply need to click on play to try to open it. So click on play and just wait for it to pop up. So as you can see, it is now running, and now it has showed up right here. And you simply need to click on start to basically play the game. And now if you want to remove it, you just simply need to stop the game from running. Then right click on it right here. Then just click on properties and just need to click on remove non-Steam game from your library. And now it is now done. And that's how I basically add non-Steam games to Steam.